Welcome to the Goddess Kingdom. In this video, we feature each of the Goddess Kingdom Empowerment Spell Candles. Each Goddess Kingdom spell candle is handcrafted and authentically enchanted with the most potent correspondence. Made with the highest quality raw materials and essential oils, each Goddess Kingdom spell candle is infused with a magical blend to emanate a unique and divine scent. Each Goddess Kingdom spell candle is eloquently made with dramatic coloring to align in harmony with each candle's purpose and intent. Light an empowerment spell candle during a dictated spell or ceremony, during meditation, during a relaxing bath ritual, or cast a personal spell of your own. All empowerment spell candles featured in this video may be found on the Goddess Kingdom website in the link below. The first empowerment candle we feature is the Goddess Kingdom Abundance and Prosperity Spell Candle. This empowerment spell candle is made with the highest quality blend of correspondence that includes honeysuckle and frankincense essential oils. The Abundance and Prosperity Spell Candle's blend of powerful correspondence will assist in bringing forth prosperity, opportunity, good fortune, and financial stability, and may be used to perform any spell work regarding money and wealth. Next, we feature the Goddess Kingdom Banish and Protection Spell Candle. This empowerment spell candle has been infused with a potent blend of correspondence, including sandalwood and tangerine, to banish negative energies, as well as protect you and your home from malevolent entities. The Banish and Protection Spell Candle may be used in any banishing and protection ceremony, spell, or ritual to assist in ridding of all malevolent entities and negative influences. Next, we feature the Goddess Kingdom Bliss, Blessings and Joy Spell Candle. This empowerment candle is enchanted with a blend of the highest quality correspondence, including peach, tangerine, and vanilla, to create a divine scent. The Bliss, Blessings and Joy Empowerment Spell Candle may be used during meditation or with any spell, ceremony, or ritual to call forth your grandest of blessings. Next, we feature the Goddess Kingdom Healing and Transformation Spell Candle. Made with an enchanted blend of powerful correspondence that includes bergamot, sandalwood, and lavender. This empowerment candle will assist in raising energy and focus for the intent of healing and transmutation during meditation or any dedicated spell, ritual, or ceremony. Next, we feature the Goddess Kingdom Home Purification Spell Candle. This spell candle may be used to cleanse any home or dwelling space from malevolent entities and negative energies. Made with a potent blend of correspondence that includes cedarwood and dragon blood. This empowerment candle may be used during any cleansing spell, ceremony, or ritual. Next, we feature the Goddess Kingdom Love and Passion Spell Candle. This divinely scented empowerment candle allows one to open their heart chakra to accept love and passion. Enchanted with a blend of correspondence that includes strawberry, raspberry, and vanilla. This spell candle may be used during meditation, during a relaxing bath ritual, or with any powerful love or passion spell. Next, we feature the Goddess Kingdom Psychic Dream and Intuition Spell Candle. This empowerment candle may be used during meditation, during a relaxing ritual bath, or in a psychic spell before falling asleep. Made with a potent blend of correspondence that includes sandalwood and frankincense, our Psychic Dream Spell Candle will assist in providing energy and focus to awaken your intuition and revelations. Next, we feature the Goddess Kingdom Success, Power, and Creativity Spell Candle. Enchanted with a powerful blend of correspondence that includes honeysuckle, tangerine, and daffodil, this empowerment candle may be used during meditation, during a relaxing bath ritual, or with a personal spell to open the path for opportunity, inspiration, imagination, wealth, and prosperity. Lastly, we feature the Goddess Kingdom Venus Spell Candle. This empowerment candle has been uniquely crafted to honor one of the most powerful goddesses celebrated by Wiccans, the grand goddess of love, Goddess Venus. Enchanted with a divine blend of correspondence that includes rose, peach, and vanilla. The Venus Spell Candle may be used to summon the goddess Venus during any dedicated spell, ritual, or ceremony for the intent of love, prosperity, fertility, beauty, and victory. Please visit the Goddess Kingdom website found in the link below to find more tools of the craft and free spells available in our Book of Spells section. Mary part, the Goddess Kingdom.